Not many words send shivers down our spine, but the ones that do tend to leave a spine-tingling sensation over us. And one of these words is doomsday. The end of the world, or as it is phrased in a single word, doomsday, is the time when all of the existence shall come to an end. But a few number of people are ready for that as well. They prepare for doomsday by making a special bunker to be safe from it, known as the Survival Condo. The people who have the money and resources are putting it to good use, and they have ended up creating this luxurious bunker with every facility available to help them avoid death. So what major features does the Survival Condo actually have inside of it? Let's find out. Design. The owners outfit a facility that will accommodate about 5,000 people. The bunker's interiors have a cost of $25,000 to $200,000 each. The price depends on whether they want a minimalist space or a home with high-end finishes. The structure of the bunker, which was carved out of solid bedrock, offers 34 private residences, each starting at 2,500 square feet, with the option to add a second story for a total of 5,000 square feet. The vast complex includes a tram system to support residents throughout the shelter, where they can visit its restaurants, theater, coffee shops, and pool and game areas. You'll get everything in the comfort of this bunker. Surveillance. The Survival Condo is made for a limited number of people, and not everyone is allowed inside of it. Thermal, night, and full-spectrum cameras are placed inside and outside the facility to keep an eye on trespassers. With a bunker that has everything you could wish for, it's not rocket science that everybody is willing to go inside it. Pool. If you think there wasn't a need for leisure activities while inside a bunker, then prepare to be proved wrong. Having a giant swimming pool on your property signifies your wealth, and the same is the case with this Doomsday Bunker, where your wealth shouldn't go unnoticed at any cost. Inside this mammoth of a bunker, we have a 50,000-gallon steel swimming pool flanked by a rock waterfall, lounge chairs, and a picnic table present in a whole separate section of the bunker, which only contains the pool and the poolside. A switch is there to illuminate the entire area so that you could take a dip into it. To have a good view while being underwater, the wall in front is painted with a tropical beach mural.
We have a speedy challenge for you. Here's the deal. Leave us a like, smash that subscribe button, and turn on notifications in less than 5 seconds, and you'll win 10 years of incredible luck. Try it. It actually works.
Cinema. Are you going down to the Survival Condo? Then make sure to catch a movie. Hitting the button on the lift for the cinema level has a whole different feeling, considering the cinema is located at the penultimate level, almost 200 feet into the ground and way below the Earth's surface. The whole cinema is sitting atop the water pumps, having oversized, terraced leather recliners facing a large screen. With a vicious surround sound and 4K video projection, this is probably the most pleasing movie experience you'll ever have. Indeed, an excellent way to enjoy your last moments on the planet. So what will you choose? Mission Impossible or Skyfall? Weapons. Any secure place in the world needs its weapons to make it feel safe, and the bunker is doing its job perfectly. Sniper rifles, assault rifles, helmets, gas masks, first aid kits, and non-lethal weapons such as military-grade pepper spray, it's all available in the bunker's armory. But all of it might not be needed. There's a 223 remote-controlled rifle outside the bunker, ready to shoot anybody in its way like a video game. Though it might not be required, it's just there in case it's necessary. The rifle can be put into automated defense mode, firing 3-round bursts at anything that comes into its field of view. That was all we had for the crucial insides of a luxurious Doomsday Bunker. What is your favorite feature about the Survival Condo? Let us know in the comments. Oh, and if you found this video exhilarating, you should check out. See you in the next video.